guys, welcome to my channel. So today's summer and I decided to record what I do for summer, and today I'll be opening up some slimes and sadly you'll be doing my makeup after. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications and give a big thumbs up and comment down below some more videos, and comment down below if you think I should make a video showing you how to make some of these slimes. So which slime do you want to start off with?
I'll take this one.
And I will take this one. It is scented. It's Fruity Tooty. Really?
Yeah, smells like shaving cream.
It is shaving cream.
It smells good.
It's Fruity Tooty. Oh. Fruity Tooty scented. Fruity Tooty. Fun scented Fruity Tooty. As you can see, this was the original color, but I changed it up because I love to put sand in it. It just gives it that fun texture. So now I'm going to play with it. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Is that even slime? Okay, so as you can see right now, I am poking the slime. Crazy. Stretch, 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 stretch. Day 1 of summer. And tomorrow I'll be doing a day 2 of recording for summer. Wonder what I'll be doing tomorrow. What will tomorrow's video be? Sorry that I made this video super late. I just thought it would, be fun to make the video. But sorry that it's so late. Sorry that the video is posted so late. I just couldn't get the right moment. So I never had the right moment to be able to start the video. So yeah. It's stickier more.
Got my slime stolen.
Oh.
Took my last piece.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to finish up with this slime. Next we're moving on to this slime, which I use clear glue for this slime. And some red, and some orange, and some yellow. First, you just start off by using some red, and then you just keep doing that, which I used too much, and then I ran out of the red food dye. Yeah, so you do that, and then if you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but when I stretch it, you can kind of see the orange and the yellow come into this slime. And it has great pops. It has great pops and great movement. By the way, guys, this is my first video that I've ever made. So yeah, tell me in the comments below if you like this video, because this is my first time. So yeah, so I've never made these videos, so it's fun to be on YouTube and be able to talk with you guys. Okay, so I also added some glitter and pom-poms, of course. Closing it up. Close, 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 close. Alright, so now that we're done with the slime, it was just something quick. It wasn't exactly like a whole video thing. It was only about 4 minutes.
Mine.
So now.
Smells good.
So now he's about to do my makeup. So make sure to do good. Tell me in the comments below, guys, if you think he's going to do good, which I have no faith in him. Please do good.
We will see.
What do you mean I'll see? Yes, Mia. You just keep. Oh yes, yes, yes. I smelled. Yeah.
Excuse me, mommy.
You
ready? No, mommy, it's okay.
No. Whoa! Why are you starting off with that color?
Because I am the artist, and you are my painting.
If you're an artist,
So
why
let
would
me
you?
see your face.
If you're an artist, why would you start off with that color?
Art is different for everybody.
I'm trying to put on my nail here.
Alright.
That's disgusting, Mia.
No, mommy.
Alright.
Yeah, white. I want white on my eyes, not not brown. This is horrible.
About eyes.
Why would you want this?
Puppy,
Let me see, mommy. Wait.
What have I ever done to them?
puppy.
Oh my gosh!
Let me see.
Why? What are you doing? What are you? Wait, why are you? What?
Let me see. I'm not done.
What do you mean you're not done?
Let me Picasso this.
Wait, why are you torturing? I look horrible.
Look this way.
Wait, are you making it worse?
Stop. No. Stop moving.
Yeah, that's not. Look like some weird Chinese guy. Have you ever thought of real makeup?
I've never done makeup in my life.
Have you ever thought of anything more better than this?
Ta-da!
Puppy, ow.
Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ta-da! It's a masterpiece.
I'd rather
Finishing
Mia
touches.
do my makeup.
Yeah, go ahead.
Puppy, please. Puppy,
Now it's time to do your makeup.
Nope.
Yes. Wait. Where are you
You do my makeup. Makeup. That's clogging my face. Stop. I'm good.
puppy.
I'm good. And that's the end of this video. Thank you. No, I'm good.
going? Oh, okay. Sadly, guys, I look like this.
With a hat. No hat.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's so great that you saw that. I'm so happy that you saw this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you tomorrow for day 2 of summer. Really? Really?
Keep going.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's day 2 of summer vacation. Bye. See you tomorrow.